This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by logging into the NSDL or UDITSL PAN correction portal. Choose Changes or Correction in PAN data and enter your 10-digit PAN. Once done, select the field S to update name and / or address and upload your supporting documents. You will be asked to enter your Aadhaar number to fulfill data when available, so make sure your Aadhaar is current and your mobile is linked for OTP. Pay the processing fee using card, net banking, or UPI to proceed. You now carefully upload the scan proofs. For name change, provide a marriage certificate, passport, or Gazette notification. For address, use passport, bank statement, or Aadhaar. Once uploaded, preview every field mismatches cause rejection, so correct any spacing or punctuation differences. You will be prompted to e-sign using Aadhaar OTP if eligible. Otherwise, print, sign physically, and dispatch to the processing center with the acknowledgement. Keep the acknowledgement number handy. It tracks your application. You finish by confirming payment and saving the acknowledgement PDF. Track status online using that number until your corrected PAN card is dispatched. Once approved, the updated ePAN arrives by email and a physical card by post. If the application is rejected, read the rejection message, fix the specific document or formatting issue, and resubmit quickly. If Aadhaar OTP fails repeatedly, opt for signed physical submission or contact the portal's helpline to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.